What's good, everyone? Recently I designed something in Procreate, which I then had sent off to the printers, and we got it printed on a t-shirt. It's just arrived, so let's open it up and see how it looks. All right, before we jump in, I want to share some really big news with you. During the week, it's become official. Few and Far Studios has become an official channel sponsor. I am so excited about this news. And to go along with this, they've given me a code that's going to give every one of you who use it 10% off your order. If you're looking for the best quality prints around that is guaranteed to last at a really fair price, make sure you check out the description below, hit the link, head over to Few and Far Studios and use the code ROCKETDESIGN to get 10% off on your order. All right, enough of that. Let's get straight back to the video. So let's jump in, start opening this up and have a look. I'm very excited for this to arrive, so come along for the ride. All right, so for this one, as you can see, I went for white for the first color. I think it's a really great way to see how strong your design is. And on the left here on the iPad, you can actually see the design that I sent off to the printers. This is a design collective that I'm starting with a friend of mine. We'll be releasing artwork under this. So keep an eye out for this in the future. Let's have a look. White t-shirt printed on AS color, block color design. Nice little care instructions there. Really nice quality shirt. I suggest if you ever get the chance, always print on AS color. And this looks fantastic. I really love the location, but I've also left in, as you can see here, I've left in the little pencil marks behind. That was on purpose. I really wanted this to resemble something that was in the process of being made. This is very, very cool. Love the look of this. Now let's flip it over. This is the real test. Wow. Yeah, this is awesome. This print turned out absolutely amazing. I wasn't worried about it when I sent it in, but you never know when you're working with these brands for the first time. You're never exactly sure how it's going to turn out, but I am super impressed. This is absolutely what I wanted. It's probably higher quality than what I expected, I'll be very honest with you. Not that I doubted this brand at all, but I'm super happy. Looking at this now, this is exactly what I wanted. Really high quality back print, really nice quality front print as well. If I fold this t-shirt in half, I just want to hold it up next to the original design here. How cool is that? I love it. Exactly what I had here is here, and even in that small design, it looks absolutely perfect. Now, let's have a bit of a chat about what I did when I was designing this and some of the things you might want to look out for if you are going to print through this company or any printing company in the future. First things first, I designed this on an A2 size canvas. Hit the link at the top of the screen if you want to know more about creating high quality canvases and the benefits of that. I did a video on it recently, which I think you'll find really, really useful. But because I created on such a high quality and large canvas, I didn't hit any problems when it came to the back print. Keep in mind, the back print is always going to be the largest thing typically we're going to do on a t-shirt. So I knew that if I had the back fine, the front would be okay as well. That was the first step. The second step I did when I was sending in the artwork here to be printed, I made sure I turned off the background. That is definitely the first step. And when I went up to my actions tab here and I went along to share, I shared it as a PNG. This was super important as well. The PNG is going to allow me to share this without the background, with just the text only. If we do these things, really high quality canvas, export as PNG, it's going to set us up for the best possible print that we can get. But overall, I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. And also keep an eye on the channel moving forward. I will be relaunching my website soon. It's finally coming back. I'll be having a lot of my prints available there for sale, as well as t-shirts like these. This was really cool. I'm really glad you got to be here today with me as I open this t-shirt. I'm super excited to start wearing this myself. I've definitely got a few more in the works, but I can now know with confidence that this brand is going to print exactly how I want it to, and I'm looking forward to all the shirts I can print in the future. Thanks for being here on this fun mail day. I had lots of fun opening this. I'm super pumped for this design. If you've got any ideas for future videos you'd love me to cover, please leave me a comment down below. I really love to hear from each and every one of you. And as always, a like, subscribe, and share really helps me continue what I love to do, bringing you these videos each and every week. So until the next video, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you then.